Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I'm just on here to remind you guys that you can come onto the channel if you want to learn how to make a wig and much more, finger waves, cutting. I think this is the channel for you, so just hit that subscribe button. This is the channel for you, and if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button and join the squad. And I have that morning voice. So I had already placed the frontal. This is a 13x4 waterway frontal, and I'm just showing you guys now how to go in and sew at first glance or at first attempt to go in. Make sure you do not go through the first line of the elastic. Make sure you go through the mesh and leave the elastic alone if this wig won't fit anyone. So make sure you do that, and I'm going to slow this video down so you guys can see that part. Now, to ensure that your frontal is on correctly, just make sure you go in very closely and firm, but don't pull too much on the cap because it will rip, and you don't want to do that if you go too hard, because this is a very strong cap. But if you just keep pulling, beating up the cap, it will puncture a hole. So try not to pull too hard. And as I'm making my way up to the top, I will not go straight over to the other side. I will be starting with another needle so I can have pullage on both sides. Now, if you guys saw that, it was really tight and close. Make sure it's tight and close. Go over the line, but make sure it's nice and firm, because if you're going to be wearing this as a glueless unit, you're going to be pulling it on, pulling it off, and the thread will eventually pull away. Not all the way, but it will pull away if you do not sew your wig firm enough. I'm going to make my needles meet at the top, and I'm going to connect them and tie them and cut it right here, and we're done. So if that's over, we're going to tie a knot, and that's it with the lace. So this hair that I'm about to use is very gorgeous. It is a loose, deep wave, and I dyed it jet black, and it's still fluffy and shiny. Don't worry about wasting any money. This hair will last you for a good amount of time because I've used it already on previous models and they love it. So I will leave the, matter of fact, if you want the information for this hair, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to handle it for you. So 95, I want to say 98% out of 100, I never start right where my lace is. I always start as if this is a real head and I put the first track. And then I'll connect the second track to the lace. But I mostly do not like connecting my first track to the lace. And guys, remember to go through only the first layer of where the elastic band is, because if you do not listen to that, your wig will not fit. And we want a snug wig, but we don't want a wig that won't fit, right guys? So I'm just going in and putting on the other tracks. If you want to know how to make a wig, a 13x4 wig from scratch, just go on my channel, search, put in the search bar, and a whole bunch will pop up. And next, I'm about to color the lace because I did not color the lace. And the color is on. We added a little bit of color and we're gonna wash her out. And you guys are just gonna see the beauty of this. It's so gorgeous. I think I'm gonna add some of this color in the front. I'm not sure yet, but I like how it turned out. You guys are gonna see how fluffy and voluptuous this hair is. And if you also want to know how to dye your lace without messing it up, hit me up. So now that we're done, this is the inside, guys. Very snug fit, even without the band. And look at that color, it's so gorgeous and shiny. And this is a transparent lace. It's not an HD, but by the time the model puts it on, it's gonna look invisible. It's gonna be very invisible. Look at that, gorgeous. And look at the roots. What lace, guys. Remember to leave a like on this video. If you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button, guys. What are you waiting on? It's free. And remember, if you're in school and you need extra care on anything you want to learn about, I have membership. And I'm going to change the price of my membership, so don't worry about that, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all. Let's get to 10,000 and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.